Hola estudiantes, tengo un poco de tiempo. I have a little bit of time right now to show you a little bit of what's going on, and hopefully it'll help you complete the video. So in the assignment, first make sure you're always reading the instructions. It seems like some of you definitely read the instructions here and are still having some issues. So I included a picture here, like I referenced, to show you where the question's gonna be. I knew that one of the questions stopped at a black screen that really confused people, but what I didn't realize is that the question shifted and it's not coming up at the right time. So I'm not going to grade this question, and I can show you how you can handle it, okay? So we're gonna go backwards, we're gonna open up the assignment. Now, I'm already logged into edpuzzle, so I don't have to log in, okay? But everything you do, click login with Gmail, use your school email, same password, and you'll be smooth sailing, okay? So you gotta push start. And as soon as you push start, see, this is what I'm talking about, okay? The question, is there a defensive wall here? Based on the video you've seen so far, why do you think that? Just write soup. Write anything, and then you can hit continue. So once you've hit continue, you will watch the next section, and then you have all of these questions. All these little bumps here are questions that are popping up along the way. Okay, so one last important thing, if you're playing the video and listening to it and you open up a new tab, it's going to stop playing. So that's kind of nice, because if you need to go check something real quick, you can just come back and you can pick up wherever you left off. So I'm going to wrap this up here. I will be checking in now and again. So if you need help, I will do my best to try to get you that help. And of course, I will not dock you points if this is late, because we're having tech difficulties. So we'll work together on that, but I am going to be trying to get it in the grade book by tomorrow. All right, hasta luego.